Good afternoon, my dearest. How you guys doing today? This is Rosalinda, your favorite fire inspector. It's just been a very busy day. So remember, fire prevention is self-protection. So we're gonna go right into the topic, and today the topic is prevent fire from electrical outlets. Okay, the first thing you should never do is to overload your outlets. The second one, inserts or plug fully into the sockets, into the wall. Okay, do not have any exposed wiring or electrical outlets. Okay, no daisy chains. It's completely prohibited to have daisy chains because it can cause major fires. You guys have a beautiful day.